Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is 7th operational phase of GEF Small Grants Programme. This year marks the 7th operational phase of the GEF Small Grants Programme, that is SGP-OP7. The GEF Small Grants Programme provides financial and technical support to projects that conserve and restore the environment while enhancing the lives of local communities. The 7th phase is being jointly implemented by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, that is MOEFCC, the United Nations Development Programme or UNDP, and the Energy and Resources Institute, that is TERI. Note that SGP-OP7 was incepted on 29th March 2022 in a hybrid mode. Now, information about 7th operational phase. Study and work on the themes of biodiversity, climate change, and land degradation through NGOs. Regional Inception Workshop hosted by TERI, a session that discussed the alignment of SGP with state-level policies and interventions. Experts offered their thoughts and answered questions from the participants. SGP will release a request for proposal which will contain guidelines regarding a working plan of action. Now, information about GEF, that is Global Environment Facility. It was established in 1991. It unites 182 member governments. It finances international environmental conventions and country-driven initiatives that generate global benefits. It is the world's largest funder of biodiversity protection, nature restoration, pollution reduction, and climate change response in developing countries. The first operational phase of SGP was launched on 1st July 1996.